Hi kindergartens, today Miss Malish is going to go over with you what a fractured fairy tale is. A fractured fairy tale is a story where the author puts a little bit of a spin on an original story. So a story like The Three Little Pigs or even Rapunzel. The author might change some things such as the setting, so where the story happens, or the characters. Remember that our characters in our story can be things, people, or animals, or they are going to change the plot. So what happens in the beginning, the middle, or the end. They may even change what the problem in the story is and how the problem is. If you remember a few weeks back, Miss Pretzlaff, she read us a book called Once Before Time, Rapunzel by Christy Webster. That author, Christy Webster, put a spin on the original story Rapunzel by changing the main character Rapunzel into a dinosaur. That is what makes this story a fractured fairy tale, because they change it just a little bit to make sure that you enjoy it based off of interests or what you like to read and things like that, kinders. This week, you are going to watch many different versions of The Three Little Pigs. Last week we did the same, but this week they're all going to be fractured fairy tale versions of this story. Today you are going to watch the true story of The Three Little Pigs, and that version is just a little bit different than the versions you would have watched last week. I want you to think of how the author changed the story elements in this version and in the coming versions that you are going to watch this week. So how did the author change the characters, the setting, and the plot? Okay, kinders, I hope that you enjoy all the fractured fairy tales that you're going to watch this week. Bye, kinders.